Ida better not bring her butt back over here. Ida, you need to stay out there, honey. You done did enough. We don't need your help no more, okay? Because you done caused too much of a problem. You got me over here sweating. Hot last night. It was hot. It was hot. And my husband's friend went and got some gas in Bogalusa and brought it to us for our generator. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. A blessing. And maybe some information saying the laundromat and everything up there is open. But right now, I'm going to wash some clothes in the bathtub. I'm getting ready to get the food out of one freezer, put in another one. I'm getting ready to take this. I forgot to say, hey, thank you for all the genuine comments that I received. All I can do is put my hands on my heart because this is my first time ever actually going through this in Louisiana. We did one time before, but that was 2 days. But to go and look for gas. Now I gotta wash clothes in the bathtub. Just going back to what we have learned as we grow, you know, and you're never too good to go and do what you need to do as for survival. Never. So doing what I gotta do. I hope everyone else is doing okay. I know there's other families out there who has had it worse than me. I pray for them as well. And I better get started on this meat, y'all. I gotta move fast. My main thing is to get the fish. Oh my gosh, what is that coming from? Oh, that's from somebody's bag. Oh, my husband's holding on to somebody's food and it looks like their bag had already thawed out. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Now, I don't know what's up. I think that's somebody else's. This is someone else's food that we was trying to help out. Trying to use the leaf. But trying to keep if it thawed out. You know, like this, you gotta work fast. We got green beans. Ida better not bring her butt back over here. Ida, you need to stay out there. Oh my God. Okay. Down here at the bottom is still frozen. I'm not gonna take no chance. Let me see. They're still frozen. Anything else that looks like it's not. Ouch. That must be shrimp. Okay. Vegetables. All right, y'all. Oh, let's do this. Let's put his food in here and close that up. Woo! Now, to this other freezer, throw this fishing. Let me open it. The suction is good on it. Okay, y'all. I think everything so far is good, y'all. It's all out all the way. Okay. Whew. Done with that. Now it's time for me to wash some clothes. That's what's important right now. Work clothes, plenty of underclothes, plenty of socks, plenty of everything else, but you gotta have clean work clothes. Gotta get them armpits, honey. That's my workout around this house. Trying to survive is my workout, okay? I don't know how many steps I'm gonna get here, but I work tonight, so I'm gonna get me some more steps in. let's continue around the house. I just heard thunder. I just heard thunder. Alright. Ida better not bring her butt back over here. Ida, you need to stay out there, honey. You done did enough. We don't need your help no more, okay? Because you done caused too much of a problem. You got me over here sweating, working out, burning calories, and my house is a mess. I'm getting ready to try to cook me something right quick, y'all. I'm hungry. Went to the store today. Winn-Dixie, got some eggs and Hawaiian rolls. Turkey. I'm only gonna have one. I don't think I can eat both of them, but at least I will have one for later or whenever I get ready for it. But right now, I'm getting ready to eat. Clothes. Rinsing the clothes now. I'm gonna hang them up, get them out the way, rest for a minute, and then get ready for work. Thank you all for tuning in to Healthy Living. Once again, thank you for all the support and the comment, and I see you all in the next video.